Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So, what we're gonna be doing in this video is because we're going to Houston this Friday. I'm pretty sure. I think so. We might not, but I'm pretty sure we're going. So I'm gonna pack this makeup bag. It's pretty big. As you can see, there's this pocket, this zipper pocket, this clear thing for some reason. I think it goes on this side. No? This to hold your brushes. You can't see it, but that holds your brushes. And then there's this one. And then after we're done with our makeup, I'm going to use this bag. And we're going to pack my fidgets I'm going to take on the car ride. Because we have 5 hours. That's just quicker. But yeah, this is what I'm bringing my fidgets in. Okay, so we're going to start with the makeup because I'm already at my makeup table. So we're going to start with this pocket. So the first thing, we have my makeup box. Here's what it looks like. There's those right there. Yeah, here's just what it looks like. And we're going to be packing. So, the first thing we're going to bring is this mascara and this mascara, because this one is for my top lashes and this one's for my bottom, because this one is a lot more skinnier, so it's easier for my bottom. We're gonna put these right here for now. Yeah, we're gonna put them in here and then we'll organize everything later. And we're gonna use this concealer. We're gonna put this foundation. Scared me. Sorry, that was my dad. Yeah, this beauty blender. Huh?
Is it he or she?
She.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. This. Ash. This powder. This lip gloss. This blush. I have this bubblegum lip scrub. Smells like bubblegum, but I don't think I'm gonna bring it. Okay, so that's. Oh, I turned it off. Oh, just 1 second yet. There we go. That's why I had the light on before I started this video, because it gets so very dark in here. Okay. Now everything that we want is in the front. I think I'm going to bring this lip gloss too. Because we might go to Galveston. I'm not so sure about that one. But here's everything that's in there. So this concealer, this mascara, this foundation, but this one is kind of running out. But this mascara, this beauty blender, this eyelash curler, this blush, this lip gloss, and this powder, and there's the powder, and then the bottom one has a mirror. Here, a mirror, and this thing, but it's very dirty. But I mean, it's for powder, so I guess it's gonna get dirty. But there's everything that was in there. Now we're gonna put it in. And then the blush and beauty blender. Now we're gonna zip that up. Okay. Now we're gonna do this part. And this is gonna hold on my eyeshadow. Wait, hold that for a second. To give me. And then we'll do my brushes at the end. I have a lot. Okay, so we're gonna bring the Sand Wave palette. And the Sand Wave is basically just highlighter, blush, and bronzer, which I forgot my highlighter, which I'm not gonna get it out though, and bronzer. But I have blush, but it doesn't matter. I don't know if I want to bring my hot fire. Looks like a creepy person, like there's the leg and... So this is really creepy. But here it is. I kept fading away, but I know there's nothing back there. Those type of creepy people do not exist. I'm sorry, it's just scaring me. But anyway, there's this is my hot fire. I'm gonna show you all of them, and I'll show you what I'm taking. There's hot fire, has a mirror. There's this one. I don't know how to say that. Mulian or something. I don't know. Ooh. And then there's this shiny but dirty. Then we have this one. It's called The Color Workshop is where it's from. It's just called eyeshadow palette. Nothing special, just eyeshadow palette. And then it has some pretty colors and some nude colors. And then we have this one. I got this from Miss A's. It's called Sunshine Collection. But yeah, I'm not sure where I got that. Okay, and then we're doing this one. I also don't know how to pronounce that. I don't know how to. It's hard to say. But it's very pretty. And then we have a True Beauty. This is from, I think, Rod. Oh, it's from TJ Maxx. For $7. But I think just about all of them have a mirror. This one has a cute heart mirror. But then here are all the colors. I really like this one. So I think this is the one is one of them that I will be bringing. And then we have this one. It's called Spotlight palette highlighter 6-color palette. Sorry if I said that wrong, but it's kind of hard to see it. Gold words. So I just had dinner. It's kind of hard to see. But then there's the front, and then there's the back. And then here's the colors. They're very pretty. And this one has a mirror. The names are Earthen. I'm pretty sure Dream Radical. I'm not sure. Glow. These are very hard words. I'm sorry. Then we have this one, I guess. Just says I should palette. Well, but it says I can't read cursive that well. Something New York. But see up there, something New York. There's the back and there's the front. And this one also has a mirror. Oh, no, it doesn't. It has instructions. So first you put it on lightly, and then you put more on, and then you put more on. See a little, just put more, put more, and put more. But there are the colors. You can tell I use this one a lot. This one is called, I think the name is covered. Opala. Oh, it's pretty. Kind of hard to see because I don't know. I thought it was supposed to be pretty. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. I didn't know y'all could see that. Josh told me y'all could see that. Let's do one first. So I have this set of, this is 1, 2, and 3. 3 is my favorite. Well, one's pretty pretty. One's pretty pretty. One's pretty pretty too. So this one is pretty. One is very pretty too. There you go. But here's the front. It says Volume 1, and then I have Volume 2, Volume 3. My mom actually had this set. I don't know where she got it. Oh, yes, I do. Right there. I think so. I don't know. Oh, she gave them to me. But here's one. Cute dog, and then here are the colors. I like it from here to here, but like not these three because they're dark. They're just like not fun. This one, pretty plain. This is my favorite one. These are green. I don't know how I have 2 greens. I did. But here's this one. But yeah. I'm not thinking of bringing any of those. Okay, we have 2 more. We have this palette. This is from B.A. Bombshell. Be a Bombshell. Bombshell Customs.com. I'm pretty sure. Either custom or cost. Customs. I have no clue. But here you go. And then the lid came off, but it's fine. And then here's the palette. It's very pretty. Oh, it covered the creepy. See, like, whatever. I covered the lady up, but here we go. Here's this one. That's pretty. And then lastly, this is a big one. Oh, I didn't even know there was on the back. Excuse me. Beauty chests. Pretty chest. And it is extremely pretty. When I say extremely, I mean extremely. Like, it looks like the James Charles palette, but not as good. I want that for my birthday. Only for Christmas. But here you go. Ouch. This one's big. Like, this is all I would need to bring, literally. Because I wouldn't even need them. Because these are all eyeshadows. When you get to the bottom, these are blushes, highlights, and bronzers. So I would literally just need to put them. But I think it's too fat. But here's this one. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna bring that one. Or this one. Volume 3. I don't think I'm gonna bring it. Volume 2, no, because I already have one that I'm bringing. Volume 1. This one, no. Don't need that. I'm bringing this one. I don't need this one. This eyeshadow palette, no. Hot Fire, no. No, I'm not bringing that one. I'm not bringing that, and I'm bringing this. So I'm only bringing 2. Probably if we go out to a fancy place that's like colorful. I'll bring one. So I'm not just bringing 3. Alright, so let's put them in. True Beauty, Volume 1, and Sandwich. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the brushes. Oh, kind of out of this. I don't know. Might have to bring the makeup wipes. Here they are. We're gonna put these. Okay. Brushes time. I'm gonna have to move y'all because y'all were hooked up on the brushes. So here are the brushes. The small one has my small brushes and the big one has my big brushes. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 spots for brushes. So okay, sorry. Let's do my powder brush. I bring my powder brush, but it has to go in a big pocket because it's too big for the brush pockets. Okay. Scared me. So we're gonna bring this one. This one. This one. these two. Just in case we're in this tiny little yellow one. And there we go. So, I'm gonna put all that brushes. Here we go. Eyeshadows. Big brush. Not eyeshadow, just real things and then brushes. Now we'll bring a slime. Well, one second. Okay, so we're gonna bring this one. It's a very tiny little bag. For perfume, because I have these two little ones. Like, those are tiny. Then I have all these very tiny ones. So, I don't know where it's from. We have this. So I'm gonna smell these two because you can. That one smells so good. I think this one we're gonna bring. Oh, that's a little loud. No, there was one that was my favorite. This one. Yep, we're bringing this one. It just smells good. No. This one smells like boys. No. It was one of my favorite, like absolute favorites. Oh, it smells good. No. Kind of smelling. I'm putting these everywhere. Do more. Hopefully that one doesn't smell like anything. Psych. No, I smell bad too. I smell, don't worry. You will smell me. Me too, Dunny. Honey, not Dunny. And a cloud of green. Together we will fly away in a cloud of green. Believe in him and believe in me. If anybody knows where that is from, comment. Because I love it. And I know the name. Together we Peter Pan. This might give you a better clue. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. At last. That was the name, so I didn't want to give it away. Together, up at last. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. Up at last. So here we have 3 perfumes. So we're gonna open the sesames. Not opening Sesame Street. Oh dear, no. Close that up. And together. I'm sorry. Alright, makeup's done. Let's go do my fidgets. I'm gonna put y'all in the bag. Oh, hold on. Whoa. Alright. And I already have my fidget box out. I have a lot of fidgets, and I have more in the drawer. Alrighty. So I can't go anywhere without my puppet. Here's a better side. Alright, we're gonna put my puppet in there. There we go. We're gonna put my red stress ball because I love this one. I also like this, excuse me, but I'm not gonna bring it. Hey, it's kind of boring. I'll bring this one because I like the stress balls. I'll bring a tangle. Gonna bring this squishy. Guess we can bring this. Homemade marble mesh. I like this bead stress ball too, so we're gonna bring that one. Oh, we're gonna bring my LED remote. Oh, stuff that. My pencil. She put the brown. This squishy. We cannot go anywhere without my strawberry squishy. I have this putty. Ew, but it's kind of dirty. Should probably just throw it away. But whatever. I have this gripper, but it's kind of hard. I have this. It has a bunch of stickers on it, but I have this. Where am I gonna open it? Don't worry, I know it's in here. I'm gonna bring y'all. Just the bigger side. All right. So here it is. We're gonna pull out one thing. This. They wrapped the correct lid. Okay, yeah, I did. Something fell out. So we have this little container, and if you take this off, it's a little tray with macaroni in this little bucket. So, not really nice. There's this little fake macaroni in there. Killed. Okay, next, this. A boarding pass. It's just this empty thing. That map, I think. And then there's the boarding pass and then the bag. Okay, next. Oops, something fell out. Camera. We have an adorable camera. And you a picture and smile. Wait, how do you write this? Oh, smile. One more time, please. Smile. Perfect. Do you want a funny one? Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Everybody do a scared face. Everybody do a scared face. Everybody do a shocked face. Like this. Alrighty, so yeah, we have a camera. Next thing. Fruit. Very cute little fruit. And again, another lid, which can also access as a tray. Oh, I know what's in here, so this. Bread, little bread. I had a big tray, but I don't know where it is. Butter. Crackers. Ooh, swirled. Map is actually pretty big for a face. And then we have all the places, or like different buildings on the side. Can you believe that? This is the cover. Like, on this tiny little area. That's the cover. Like, the cover is so tiny compares. Yeah, here are all the buildings. And then on the other side, there's a bunch of animals, just in case you're going to the zoo, you know. Because it's a world map, so it has everything. Everything. And next, this is a cute one. Look at this one. I have organic candy that is very cute. They're little gummy bears. Then we have this. It has a bunch of stuff in it. I need to get one thing out at least. I have a cute little pen. This gum is called Gum Chewy Gum, and it was like this, and you can pull this out, but it's like little gum squares, but there's no gum in it. There's just little white spots that looks like gum, but there's no gum. Just because it would be cute if there was real gum, like little tiny little gum. Okay, next. I have 65 plus sunscreen. The passport, and it has this. Her name is Reese, and says States of America. Phone number 123456789. So there's 123456789. 6789. Her name is Reese. Again, United States of America, 10 hours, or 10 APR, and then America or something, USA. And then after that, it just has a bunch of blank pages. Sadly, the pen doesn't work, so you can't like write in here with the pen, but be cute if it did. Conditioner. Yeah, conditioner. Normally the conditioner is this side, but this is a shampoo. And then a toothbox, toothpaste. There's one last thing in here. No toothbrush, but it's a toothbrush box. Psych. And this one toothbrush. Let's brush your teeth. Smile like this. Let me do it. Let me brush your teeth. Smile. Open. Perfect. Close. Thank you. Open. Close. Thank you. Okay. Feel better now? Good. Now that we've brushed those teeth, we're gonna have to put everything back in that was already in. I love you so. You are now my home sweet home forever, at last. Okay, put everything back in here. Can't forget about the fruit or the world map for the boarding pass. We're gonna get the last thing, the macaroni. Got it. Put this back. So now we're gonna take this back to this bag and we're gonna put it in. So everything that I'm bringing in here, let's see what's in here. We're gonna pull out this first, the strawberry squishy. Next is the unicorn squishy. Next I have this old LED light remote. It should be on my fidget board, but I took it off because it was fun alone. Because some of the buttons are really loud, like this one. And then some of them are really quiet. Not the loud one. Oh, they're very quiet. But yeah. And then I have this bead stress ball. donut squishy. A DIY tingle. This Orbeez stress ball. This marble and mesh. That again is DIY or homemade. This rice stress ball. I really like it because it's quiet and loud at the same time, so it's perfect. And then last thing is my poppet. My poppet is loud, but it's quiet at the same time. Because one side is quiet loud, then the other side is. Very loud, so. So that took me 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. It took me 12 seconds. I'm joking. The seconds are weird because they only go up to like 9. But then that changes like 30, 31, 32. But then that stays the same. So this video has been 41 minutes. 41 hours. 41:23. It's been 41 minutes and 48 seconds. 50 seconds. So let's put everything back in here. So poppets first. And then the squishy. Like that. And then this. And then this, and these, and these. I know we're gonna zip it up, but I need 2 hands for this. Alrighty. So I'm gonna put my fidget box back. And then here's my fidget bag. This is not the bag I normally bring, but whatever. Well, it's on the floor now. So yeah, love y'all. Bye.